Let's take a look. The first girl here, Miss Grand Cambodia. Hello. And how do you feel for this activity today?
Yes, today I'm very happy and I want to cook for some tam.
You haven't been in that before?
Yeah, I like it so much.
Okay.
Okay.
I will take you there. Thank you. In Guatemala.
How are you? I'm so excited. This is an amazing experience. I absolutely love cooking, especially Thai food that has so many different ingredients, spices, and flavors. So I'm so thankful that Blue Elephant is giving us this opportunity.
Okay, thank you, Guatemala.
you.
Okay, let's make Miss Grand Indonesia.
Hola, hola, hi.
How are you today?
I'm feeling good. I got sleep, so nice, and then now I'm gonna learning how to be a good wife too. So I get everything at Miss Grand International.
Are you ready to cooking the som tam?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's wait. Okay, Miss Grand Thailand.
I feel so happy that to cook this one, because I'm a Thai. This is my favorite food, so I think who will be the winner for the challenge?
Okay, I hope so. You are the winner. Thank you, Miss Grand Thailand. Okay, let's make Miss Grand Germany.
Hi, how are you?
How are you today?
I'm very fine and I'm so happy to be here because I love to cook and I really love the Thai food. I'm so happy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Germany. And then Italy.
Ciao, everyone. I'm so happy to be here, and I like so much cooking. And I hope that I'm good and enjoy yourself.
Okay, thank you, Italy. And hello, Czech Republic.
Yes, hello.
Hello.
I'm so
How are you today?
I'm so happy to be here. I'm so excited because I really like Thai food. This is one of my favorite cuisine. So I'm so excited about this cooking, and yeah, we can start.
Okay, okay, thank you, Czech Republic. Okay, next we have Miss Grand China and Miss Grand Peru. Okay, hello.
Hi guys, so excited to learn this salad. It looks very easy, but let's see how challenging it is for
It's
real.
only Thai salad, happy salad, or called som tam.
Som
You have to
tam?
pronounce som tam, yes.
Oh, okay, great. Happy to learn.
Okay, and Peru.
Oh, yes, I have the challenge because I need to mix like 5 flavors in one meal. So we're gonna prepare papaya salad. It's a typical food from here, and I'm excited because in Peru, the cuisine is amazing too. So I tried to do a fusion mix like Thai with my touch of Peru.
Okay, for all the girls, let's start. Okay, you can start.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Once I have enough time to how to cook for som tam. Okay, in that side, so we have for all the different girls. And it is Mauritius. Okay, you can cook. And Israel, okay, how do you feel today?
I feel great. I feel so happy and now I'm cooking. It's one of my favorite hobbies, so very excited.
Okay, very excited. Okay, hope you like Mauritius.
I love it.
Okay, and Puerto Rico and Panama.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, we are doing our best here.
You haven't tried it before?
Ya nos encontramos aquí cocinando lo que sería una ensalada, se llama Spicy Green Papaya Salad. Así que vamos a ver cómo me queda, pero vamos bien, vamos bien.
Okay.
It's my first time cooking Thai food, and I'm not a cooker, so let's see how is this.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
And I heard you it's the first day after you quarantine, right?
Yes,
And how do you feel?
Oh, it feels so good. Fresh air, human contact. I'm so happy. I'm excited.
Okay, I hope you have all the activity of MGI. Thank you,
Yes,
Panama.
thank you.
Okay, oh, Ecuador.
Hello.
And what are you doing now?
Well, I'm trying to cook this Thai dish. I'm doing it already very good. I'm not the best cook ever, but I'm trying my best. And today is my birthday, so I think that it's going to end up delicious.
Okay, I love the Thai. Your first day. I hope it's very delicious. All right, Miss Grand Paraguay.
Everyone, how
Okay,
are
let's
you?
show your fan how to cook some tam.
Bus, 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
Okay, yeah. And chef just told me how to do like this. You have to dance, right?
So excited! Yes, dance help me.
Okay, can you show? Yeah. Thank you. All right, wow. Beautiful.
Welcome to my
Kenya.
station. I have
Okay.
just peeled my papaya And now I'm going ahead to brown the garlic here. I don't do spicy, so no pepper for me. And here we are. We actually have this in Kenya
What
as
flavor do you
well.
love?
I don't like spicy, but I like sweet.
Oh, you
So
like
mine's gonna be a bit more sweet.
Okay, but in Thai food you have a Lipton for the spicy.
A little spicy, so should I put a little green?
Okay, good luck, Kenya.
Thank you.
And then we have United States of America.
Hi, how are you? สวัสดีไหมคะ
สวัสดีค่ะ Okay, you have to say in Thai.
Okay, so วันนี้พวกเราทำอาหารไทยกับเชฟ
Yes.
ฉันชอบกินส้มผม is it ส้มผม
ส้มตำ
ส้มตำ
Yes.
ฉันชอบกินส้มตำฉันตื่นเต้นมากๆฉันเรียนทำอาหาร So today I am learning how to cook Thai food. It's papaya salad and I am really excited and I can't wait for you to try it.
Okay, thank you.
You're
United
welcome.
States of America. Okay, and next we have
Hello, I'm Vietnam.
I love your outfit.
Thank you, Yellow.
Okay, and wow, you just okay. You ready to finish, right?
No, I'm very happy now and I'm here in the Blue 11 restaurant and I'm looking forward to delicious food. Wait for me.
Okay, hope you like. I want to try your dish, Vietnam. Wow, looks so yummy. So you're very, very yum. And next we have Miss Van Myanmar.
Yeah, I'm doing something right.
Can you show your friend how to cook some tam? Yeah. Wow.
This is a favorite food ever. So I very like to cook.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
Okay, show your fan. To cook the som tam for the special Thai dish. I have the role well known about this. The som tam of papaya salad. Okay, and last, Miss Grand Philippines.
Hi everyone, mabuhay. Sawadika from Thailand. We're doing now som tam. Am I right? Yeah, it's green papaya salad. So I am already on my 4th step. So I will just mix up everything and pound it. I have tomatoes here, and I will just put it here. And actually, this is my second time eating in Blue Elephant. I've been to Blue Elephant of Phuket, so it's so nice. But it's my first time to experience cooking in som tam.
Okay. Okay, all the time. And looking this is som tam from Miss Grand Philippines.
Yay.
Wow. Can you
Comment
show?
down below.
Can you show your fan how about the ingredient in som tam?
Yeah, so we have tomatoes, we also have green beans, we have dried shrimps, we also have garlic, and you can put a bit of chili if you really want, but for me, I don't like spicy, but maybe I can just put a bit earlier. And then after that, you can also put nuts, and you can put a bit of sour and squeeze a lime. Ooh, I'm like a chef here.
And after that, it mix together.
Yes.
Okay, can you show your fan how to mix together with the som tam?
So we were teaching it should be like this.
Wow.
I think this is gonna be good. And later I will eat this and I will show you. So follow us, Miss Granny.
Okay, when you finish the show, I will show you to your fan.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Miss Grand Philippines. Philippines. Show your fan how to cook som tam.
Video,
The som tam. Ngon lắm á?
Yes, ngon lắm.
Ngon lắm.
Yes, you can try when
You know that word?
Here.
Very
delicious.
Yes?
Yes, very delicious. Yes.
อร่อยมาก
I think no spicy. I hope that. I think no spice.
Really?
Yes.
No spicy?
No
Okay, I try. Okay, let's try first Miss Grand Vietnam.
Oh yes, no spicy.
Oh my god. Miss Grand Vietnam.
Delicious, right?
It's good nice. A little bit spicy.
Thank you.
I love it.
Not spicy, right?
And
This
next,
is your show. This
Yeah.
is your show. I think you are the judge. Yeah. After this video.
everyone is warm.
Yeah, you're
Okay,
gonna
Myanmar.
something.
It's nice. It's a bit sweet and not too spicy. I think you love and all the girls.
Me, I don't like
And
spicy.
Philippines, where is spicy? Where is chili?
I don't like put chili, but I put a lot of garlic.
Okay. Okay, from Miss Grand, Philippines, the last somtam for me today.
Masarap.
Was
It's delicious. Oh my God, don't judge me.
oh,
Aroy ma.
I like it. I like it. I like it. I like mama. Yeah.